The Chinese government is currently being investigated by the UN for forced labor in Tibet.
The UN has expressed concern that Tibetans are being forced to leave sustainable and traditional livelihoods such as wool and dairy production to work in low-paid, low-skilled work in manufacturing and construction in China. Furthermore, the Chinese government is forcing Tibetans into vocational training centers which focus less on developing professional skills and more on cultural and political indoctrination in a militarized environment.
UN experts found that Tibetans in the program are reportedly prevented from using Tibetan language and not allowed to practice Tibetan Buddhism, as the Chinese authorities consider both obstacle to the poverty alleviation. Contrary to the program's purported focus on improving living conditions, the UN has said that the labor transfer program could further impoverish Tibetans.
The Australian Tibet Council calls on the Australian government to strengthen our laws in order to ensure that no goods produced with Tibetan forced labor come into Australia. We need to pass the upcoming amendment to the Custom Act to ban the import of goods produced by forced labor into Australia.